Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool image around here, and basically what these are some office chair and a gaming chair. So for this one in particular is from the Amazon basic brand, and for this one here is from a brand called Best Office. So the reason why I want to review both of these chairs is because they're like the top selling chairs, but it's like a different option. One of them is designed for you guys to use as an office chair, whereas the other one is designed for you guys to use it as a racer back or gaming chair option. But in terms of material that's on here, it's actually very similar. They do use like a PU leather. And if you guys notice for the bottom part of the feet, they actually have a very similar design as well. Because for the feet option, you guys need to actually attach everything together. It's not like a lot of other office chair or like gaming chair out there in the market today, where it's like preset, where it's one whole thing. For these, you guys have to actually set up all the legs individually one by one, which is a little bit of an inconvenience. For me personally, I do prefer having an office chair where it's already pre-set up, so that way you guys don't have to set everything up one by one, because that takes a little bit more time. Like the setup process for both of these took roughly around like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Whereas for some of the other office chair or gaming chair, where it actually took me 20 minutes to actually set up. So that is something to kind of consider when you guys do purchase any kind of like office chair or gaming chair. If you guys want to save time, there's no different option available. But if you guys notice the design for both of these chairs, it does have like a white color design. And obviously since this is like a gaming chair, it's slightly different design. They do give you guys that wing design on the side. And you guys also get two pillows on here, one for the neck and one for the lumbar support. So here is basically what the chair looks like in the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and then here's the other side. And obviously for both of these chairs, when you guys do use it, it does have the roller wheels in the bottom. So if you guys want to roll it around, you definitely do have the option available. And in terms of the packaging for both of these, the box that came out this one is actually pretty big, whereas this one is a little bit smaller. And the reason why this one is smaller is because the way how they package it is actually pretty nice. They basically have a zipper option right here in the back, so that we can store all the different parts. In terms of the leg, the feet, the wheels, the armrest, and all different parts, it was inside this zipper compartment right here in the back. Where for this one is all separated in the box. And if you guys are curious about the unboxing process, feel free to check out that video that I made. For this video, I just want to do like an update video and also a comparison between both of these chairs to show you guys what is actually available and to help you guys decide which one's better for you in terms of office chair versus gaming chair. So right out the bat, if you guys notice for both of these chairs, when you guys do look at it, for the office chair right here, it's actually lower, whereas for this one, give you guys a higher back support. But in terms of the cushion on here, when you guys do feel it, both of them definitely has a good cushion on here, but I do feel like the material that's on this one actually feels a little bit better than this one. I'm assuming because of the padding that's on here is like a soft padding, whereas with this one is a little bit more rougher. But in terms of the way how you guys use both of these chairs is actually very similar. They do give you guys like the rocking option and the lift option as well, which is on the side right here, you can see on the bottom. So let me show you guys each one to show you guys what it actually looks like and how it works. So let's start with the white one here. So once you guys sit down, here is basically what the chair looks like. And like I mentioned, for the chair, it does give you guys the option to rock. So let's go with this. You definitely do have the option to rock on here. But if you guys push it in, if you guys try again, you guys can't rock anymore. And like I mentioned, for the lever option, you do have the option to lift it up and lift it down. So if you guys go like this, that basically brings it up. But if you push it again, that brings it down. So that is basically how high and how low it can go. And for both of these chairs, they do have a knob for you guys to adjust the resistance on here for the gas lift option. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. So here is what it actually looks like for the bottom part right here. And then here we have the other one. So now let me sit down on here to show you guys how this one works. So once you guys sit down on this one, it actually feels pretty comfortable as well. Like I mentioned, when you guys do sit in this one, it actually feels a lot more comfortable than this one because of the material that they use on here. But same thing for this chair, when you guys do rock it, you definitely do have the option to rock on here as well. But if you guys push it in, if you guys try again, we can't do it anymore because it's locked. Same thing like how it worked on here. And if you guys pull it up for the lever option, that brings it up. But if you guys do it again, that brings it down. So I can see the way how you guys use both of these chairs is actually very similar. And they do probably guys the same option as well. But if you guys do raise up both of them, let me show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do bring it up. So when you guys bring up both of them, if you can see it's about the same height. Only this part right here is actually higher for this one, and this one's slightly lower. And like I mentioned, for both of these, they do have it available in different colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But that is basically everything that's on the bottom. And now that we show you guys a comparison of what both of them looks like and how well it works, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for both of these chairs, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys don't mind what I mentioned earlier in terms of the way how to design the feet option, where it's not one whole set. So if you guys don't mind that issue, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But if you guys want my honest opinion in terms of which one is actually better, I still have to go with the Amazon basic brand one because the way how to design it is actually much more comfortable, like I mentioned. Even though for the gaming chair right here, they do give you guys a neck pillow and a lumbar support pillow, there's something about the material that they use on here is actually much more comfortable. And also the way how they package the product is actually much more better as well. But regardless of which one you guys get, that is totally up to you guys. But I do think that both of them are pretty worth it for its own way. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.